Hello everybody, this is Bear from Elliott Wave. How's it going? Today we're going to look at Bitcoin. We're going to go over the analysis and what are the possible scenarios for the following weeks to months. So first of all, as you can see, this is my preferred count. As you can see, we have a top in place here on April 14th, around $64,000. From there, we can kind of fly ways down into what could be possible wave A. Assuming that, we should now expect upside into wave B. Now the question is, assuming this count is correct, which of course the wave 5, as you can see, was a diagonal, and the 5 waves are up there, the ABC on the diagonal, on the 5 waves of the diagonal. So assuming this count is correct, now we should see upside, unless this was not wave 5, but was wave 1 or wave 5. Now that is possible. However, if we measure wave 1, the percentage change, and we compare it to wave 5, we can see how wave 1, as you could see, was 27%, and wave 5 is around 29 to 30%. So pretty close to equality, so that will make sense. So assuming this 5 waves is completed, now we would like to see, of course, we'd like to know where wave B could end. To do that, we'll use the fib retracement, and usually we know that between the 50 to 1.8 fib retracement, we could have some resistance in place, and that would correspond to this area, which coincident, believe it or not, is around the $50,000 mark. Do you believe in coincidence? Because I don't. So assuming that, we should then see, if not here, but still, I would need more data to give a more accurate estimate for the end of wave B. Assuming wave B ends somewhere near here, we should then see if I was down into wave C and complete higher degree wave 4. By doing so, what becomes interesting is that we would reach equality in length of with wave 2 of the same degree. So once again, if we measure wave 2, the percentage change was around 72%. If we do the same with wave 4 and we see where 72% is, it's around $20,000. And not only that, if we go back to the same view, if we want to see equality wave C compared to wave A, so we measure wave A, and that was around 55%, move to the downside. So, of course, as I said earlier, we cannot know where wave B is going to end. Assuming it ends somewhere near 50,000, 55% would be, again, around $20,000. So we know that is a pretty interesting level to look for. In addition to that, if we measure this Elliott Wave channel, connect 0 to 2, projected to 1, of course, wave 3 breaks through the channel. Wave 4 sometimes kind of finds support and touches the channel. And guess what? It is again near the $20,000 level. So I think that's very interesting confluence to look for and to look after. And honestly, yes, I will add to my Bitcoin portfolio if we do get down there. The other alternate I can see, let me take you back, is that we have a flat, so 5 is here, A is down here, wave B is up here, so we have ABC for wave B, and C is down here. So if that is the case, then this move is in 3. So possibly what could only be is that this is not ABC within wave B, but it's a WXY, because I cannot count, at least I struggle to count 5 waves here. So that's why, in my opinion, the scenario with the wave 5 here as a diagonal fits better. Because if I take you even to the hourly time frame, you can see how we have the ABC of the subways labeled perfectly, and they fit very well. So anyways, just to show you the possible alternate, so with 5 been here, wave here, wave B goes up here, and we could have 5 waves down to wave C. Now, this wouldn't break any Elliott wave rule. However, I think you could argue it doesn't look, proportion-wise, it doesn't look nice, because this wave C would be much larger than this wave A. So once again, it wouldn't break any Elliott wave rule, but it doesn't look, at least to my eyes, it doesn't look nice. So I prefer to stick with the other count, and I guess we will see in the future which one is going to be. Of course, if we break this point, so if we resume to all-time high, then the count number 1, let's call it, is invalidated, and we switch to the alternate. So that's pretty much what I see on Bitcoin. I'm open to add any other alternates or variation to the counts. Please let me know in the comments. Hit the bell button if you enjoyed the video so you won't miss the next update. If you enjoyed it, leave a like as well, and I'll see you on the next one.